Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G32 and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first open your camera app, and then let's go with all the setup. Then here you've got the timer icon, mark it, and here you've got 3 or 10 seconds delay, so it's up to you whichever delay you prefer. Let me leave 3 seconds delay. Just grab your phone, click on camera shutter, and as you can see, after the selected period of time, the picture will be grabbed. Whenever you want to switch the timer off, mark it to see the cross over the clock icon, and then it will be turned off. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.